Welcome to the Elite Daily Show. I'm Zach.
I'm Io.
And today we're trying out the Olympics' newest trend.
Those weird bruises you keep seeing on Michael Phelps are from
Cupping.
We're here with Pamela Maloney. She is an acupuncturist based out of Santa Monica. We are so excited to have you here.
Hey.
Cannot wait. All right, so first things first, what is cupping?
Cupping is an ancient art, comes from China. However, the whole world practiced some kind of medicine that was pulling the blood through the tissue. So you end up looking bruised.
Yeah.
You saw Michael Phelps,
What
right?
is it?
These
What's the deal
circles.
with the bruises?
I know. The whole point of it is that pain in the body is what they call blood stagnation. So you want to unstagnate it. You want to pull it out of the area that it's stagnated in and spread it out. And so then the rest of the blood supply will just take that away through the body.
Crazy.
I know, cool, right?
Yeah.
And it detoxes as well. So whatever sort of toxins are kind of hanging on in there, it just pulls them right out.
Oh, okay, so those are the benefits then. It's detoxing
Detox.
and pulling the pain from the body?
Yeah, because pain in Western medicine is pressure, lack of blood supply, and cell death. So basically you have an obstruction on this side. The blood and the lymph and cerebral spinal fluid and all the liquids are dammed up. This side, the cells aren't getting fed. They're not getting the oxygen and nutrition that they need, so they're starting to die. So this pulls that right out of there.
What should we be expecting when we go to get cupping done? 'Cause
Yeah,
I know.
I'm scared.
So sometimes people describe a little pinching or, it's uncomfortable because it sucks the skin up into the cup.
How often should we be cupping to see the benefits of it?
It totally depends on what the issue is. So it's basically, if it doesn't go away with the first time, have another one.
Is cupping something that's covered by insurance?
Because
Not that I have it, but
Well, and not all insurances. Some insurances have taken a stance where they don't see Chinese medicine as medicine, so they don't pay for it.
Sure.
But most of them do.
I'm gonna get cupped.
So this is a cup.
Okay.
It's got a release valve at the top that you'll see me do when we're done.
Okay.
This is the suction device. So how we put them on, here comes the first one, Zach.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
I'm so ready.
And
Cut me.
Do give me feedback. Here comes the skin up into the cup.
Oh my gosh.
Not
Oh my
really.
God.
What does it feel
It
like?
feels like a bunch of rubber bands are raping my body.
Oh,
Is this more painful than your tattoos or less painful?
It's different. It's like a dull pain.
So how do you judge how many pumps to do? Because I noticed for some you were doing more
a
than
little
others.
less and a little more.
Yeah.
I just want to get the skin a certain height, I suppose.
Oh my
That's
God.
what- I
Okay.
never thought about it. I just do it instinctively.
Everyone behind the camera is freaking out.
Well, if you could see it, Zach, you'd be really amazed. I promise.
Zach actually has an injury in this area, so I started there, so it'll get the longest time, and then we'll do, just a few complementary ones on the other side of the body.
I
So-
feel like there's a finite amount of my skin that can be pulled up into these cups.
Yeah, and into the same area. So
Yeah.
these are kind of close together, so they do sort of.
So
Let's do one down here.
with certain kinds of injuries, what do you kind of go for?
Like I could feel with my fingers some gristle had started to develop in this area, which means because I could feel it and it was twangy and fibrous, it's been building for a long time. And then that sort of got less and less as I moved, in either direction.
So Zach, how are you feeling right now?
I don't know. It feels like all my skin's being pulled off of my body in a great, healthy way. Ding! It's fun, I promise.
So which one of these would be
This one is
bruising?
turning purple,
Okay.
so I'm going to take it off. So you just lift the top here and it lets go. Ooh, ha. So how does that feel now?
I
This
mean,
area.
it feels light as a feather. There's a lot of relief.
And they look like they're not going to turn purple. Tomorrow he'll have just a little edge on the outside of each of these, like a moon, a crescent moon.
I don't know why I thought when you pulled them off that he'd be screaming in pain.
No, it's quite
a
the
big
opposite.
relief,
It's
right? So here's the one where that area is, and let's just see that. I pulled up the most tissue
Oh,
into that.
man.
That's a big relief.
And you can tell the difference. You can tell the difference between the areas that experiencing some sort of pain versus
Right.
the one where there isn't.
And this, in the middle of this area,
Yeah.
that's going to stay purple, so that's good.
Ooh, that one really released a lot. I feel like I
That's
have more range of motion
Got no
already.
color in it. The only ones that'll stay purple are these two and this little ring right here.
Oh, it's so funny feeling you touch. It feels,
area?
Yeah, it feels different.
Thank you so much, Pam, for helping Zach out today. He
My
looks
pleasure.
better already.
I know, he's happy.
Next time you're in LA, please visit Pam Maloney in Santa Monica. She'll be happy to see you and clear up any problems you have on your back, your butt, wherever.
I'm gonna come back and get some more bruises from you, Pam.
All righty. Hi, I'm Dr. Pamela Maloney, and I have over 40 years experience in the healthcare industry as a teacher, coach, and private practitioner. Contact me to find alternative solutions to all your healthcare problems, have a private practice for treatment using cupping as you just watched, Chinese medicine including acupuncture, Chinese herbs, cosmetic acupuncture, facial rejuvenation, and body sculpture, including rehabilitative cosmetics, post-surgery, post-stroke, Bell's palsy, and parathesis. I enhance treatment when appropriate with homeopathic medicine, lymphatic drainage machines, and ergonomic coaching. Let's accomplish your highest goals for thriving.